going to open up the Cash App, and I have currently just a small amount of money available to purchase. And starting out here, you can toggle back and forth between owning individual stocks or owning Bitcoin. I'm going to be buying small incremental portions of Bitcoin each day. It's important to note that you don't have to buy an entire Bitcoin. Currently, Bitcoin's north of $58,000 per Bitcoin, but Bitcoin can be broken down into unit of measures much smaller than that. And using the Cash app, you are able to buy as little as $1 worth of Bitcoin. And what I'm going to be doing is going through the process of purchasing $1 or so a day in Bitcoin and accumulating each day different amounts of Bitcoin based on the current market valuation when the purchase was placed. And I'll show you how many units or Satoshis, which is the incremental unit of a Bitcoin, how many Satoshis $1 purchases that day. So again, you open up the Bitcoin segment of the Cash app, and you go down to the buy button. You can purchase individual denominations that are front loaded for you. And they are, the $1, the $10, the $20, $50, and $100, and so on. You can purchase, I believe, up to $5,000 of Bitcoin a day. I'll have to confirm that. But I do know that you can buy as little as $1 a day. As time goes on, I'm going to discuss why I believe it's important to own even just a small portion of Bitcoin. But right now, I just want to get started. This is my first video, and I just wanted to get the experience going because each day that goes by when I don't do this is one day that I've missed the opportunity to purchase a small portion of Bitcoin. And in addition to that, each day that goes by when action isn't taken is a lost day for action. So I'm going to go ahead and process the purchase right now for $1. And again, I don't have too much money in the Cash app itself. But as you can see here, right now I would be buying 0.00001673 BTC. That's the indicator for Bitcoin, and which amounts to $1 currently. So right now, $1 will buy you 1,673 Satoshis. The total purchase is only 97 cents because there is a 3% transaction fee. Now, I'm going to be working on possibly moving this up from $1 a day to just once a week, a $5 or $7 incremental buy each week. But for now, just going to see how it goes, and I'm just going to start stacking sats. And that is the process. Each day you buy as little as $1 and as much as you are willing to purchase. But ultimately, I think what everybody needs to realize is that you're purchasing $1 of Bitcoin, but you're actually investing $1 that is due to grow in time. I'm not looking to sell this probably ever. So every dollar that I put into this, it's going to be $1 that I just hold. I have no plans on trading Bitcoin. I have no plans on selling Bitcoin. I only want to buy. And that is one of the foundation stones of what I want this Stacking Sats channel to be. And that is, I just want to accumulate Bitcoin $1 at a time and see what happens to that $1 each time. Again, today we're only buying 1,673 Satoshis, but I'm okay with that because as time goes on, that unit of measure will get larger in the denomination, meaning the dollar purchased today will wind up being a much higher number in the future. So again, I'm not looking to trade. I'm not looking to sell. I'm only looking to buy. Today we bought 1,673 Satoshis, or 97 cents worth.